Today is 988 Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness about the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline and the importance of accessible mental health support. In the U.S., a person dies by suicide every 11 minutes. Jack is digging deeper and asking questions about this life-saving resource. Jack?
Good, Jason, thank you. I'm joined now by Colleen Oakes, the Director of Communications and Strategic Initiatives for Montgomery County ADAMHS. Let's start by getting a picture of what the problem looks like locally. How many people have died by suicide in Montgomery County this year, and is that more or less than last year?
So last year we ended up with 92 deaths in Montgomery County. That is 92 too many. Every person is a parent, a sibling, a friend, a coworker, but it was actually the first time since 2020 that we saw a decrease in suicides. It was about 8%. And this year we're about 50% less than that. So we're starting to see those numbers go down. It is still too many, but we know we're starting to do something right.
Yeah, it's one of those things where one's too many,
right.
but you have the call line out there. It's Awareness Day today, 988. What happens when someone calls that line?
Yeah, so happy 988 Day, everybody. September 8th, 9/8 is 988 Day. So 988 is the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. We used to have that long 10-digit number. About 3 years ago, we condensed that to 988, so it functions just like 911. You can call it anywhere in the country and be connected to a local trained counselor for any mental health or substance use crisis.
Yeah, and I would think people come from all different walks of life, have different avenues to get to maybe that place. So what resources are available for people that do come from a different background, whether it be veterans, and what's specialized in that?
Yeah, so a great part of 988 is that you can press 1 for veterans and get connected immediately to the Veterans Crisis Line. But I've been in 988 centers, I've talked to the people answering those phone calls. They are equipped to talk to anybody, handle any situation, but for veterans it's really nice that they have that person that understands what they're going through and can give them resources specific to their situation.
So kind of to piggyback on that, when someone calls 988, is the problem resolved over the phone, or is that maybe a first step?
So about 80 to 90% of the time it is resolved over the phone, which is really great. They're able to get resources, connect to help. In Montgomery County, we're so lucky. We have a partnership with Dakota Recovery Center, and if it can't be resolved over the phone, we have a mobile dispatch unit that can be sent to the person wherever they are to provide support there.
Well, this is the day. I mean, we are doing the awareness. So what should people know about 988 Awareness Day?
So please spread the word. Anybody can call 988, even if you're calling on behalf of a friend, a family member, you're not quite sure what to do. Anybody can call and you can get connected to local resources.
And obviously this would be something that no one else would know about, right? When you call 988, it's anonymous.
It is absolutely anonymous. They may ask more information. You don't have to share it, but just as much as you're willing to share to be able to get the help that you need.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being on the program. Colleen Oakes, the Director of Communications and Strategic Initiatives from Montgomery County ADAMHS. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, Colleen.